According to Secretary Bonoan, there is already they already created a special committee to conduct an investigation on the collapse of Santa Maria Bridge. The report should be given, the due date should be April 25. So we will just check what will be the update. The latest would be April 25.
Last week po, the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee pointed out na a question kung bakit wala daw pong lalapatan ng preventive suspension kung talaga pong gusto po ng Malacanang na magkaroon ng isang honest to goodness investigation.
Preventive suspension, siguro po kung mayroon po dapat na bigyan, patawan ng preventive suspension. Kaya po sa ngayon po ay nagkakaroon tayo ng pag-iimbestiga. Mahirap na po pabigla-bigla tayo magkaroon ng order of preventive suspension kung ang mga tao na involved ay wala naman na sa gobyerno. Hindi po siya magiging subject of preventive suspension.
Secretary Bonoan still in office.
Yes, pero kung hindi pa po natin nakikita na siya po yung pinaka-involved, hindi po natin siya mapapatawan ng preventive suspension. Titignan po natin. Hindi naman po natin ito, katulad ating sinabi, kung ano sino yung dapat mananagot.